how to upload PDF to Google Sites. So if you want to upload PDF to your Google Sites, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Sites. After opening your Google Sites, now before that you need to open up your Drive. Now once you're on your Drive, you need to create a folder and then you need to upload your PDF. After uploading your PDF on your Drive, now you need to go with the three dots, and from here you need to go with share and then go with copy link. But before that, you need to make sure that you have not restricted the person. So here you need to go with the drop down and select anyone with the link, and now you need to go and copy the link. After copying the link, you can go back, open up your sites, and here you need to go with the insert section and go with embed, and here you need to paste the URL, and after that go with insert, and your PDF will be uploaded to your Google Sites. As you can see that here you will have your PDF. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.